I still, guys, I still, oh my God, sorry guys for the sun, sorry. I still didn't have no time, guys, to fertilize nothing. I still didn't have no time. Now I can barely find time to clean the walls, to remove those dead leaves. Now I can manage to do that. Now my time is only watering, reduced to watering the garden. It's I don't know, it's beautiful, but let me see if I can put this one. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Look at this one with fear. That's a butterfly bush. Smells so good. Look at this. And she's in pots, she's like this. She's on 7-gallon pot. Imagine if that one was on the ground. I can wait, I can wait, I can wait. With Jesus' help, I can wait. And again, the guard, this try, guys. Those, I don't know. This tree, they lost all those leaves. I don't know. I'm gonna come back and trim them. I'm gonna trim her really, really. They're getting too tall. I'm going to trim them. But so far, this is what I have. I have to go on the back calling me. I even have a few mangoes right here. They got little mangoes there on them. Look at this. And I go in them and remove those dead. If there's no mango, I remove this branch. Why this mango is acting up now? Better stop acting up, bro. The leaves getting crazy. I need to repot them. I need to bring those mango back or put them on 15-gallon. Look at this rose. Look at this. Cause I can't trim them. I can't find no time to trim them. All right.